Understanding root rot in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a phrase that might sound a bit strange at first but is actually quite descriptive. We're talking about root rot. Whether you're a gardening enthusiast or simply want to expand your English vocabulary, this is a topic you'll find interesting. Root rot consists of two words, root and rot. Let's explore them individually. Root. In this context, a root refers to the part of a plant that typically lies below the surface of the soil. It's the plant's way of anchoring itself to the ground and drawing up water and nutrients. Rot. Rot means to decay or the process of decaying. When something rots, it breaks down and deteriorates, often because of bacteria or fungi. So, when you put these words together, you get a phrase that means the decay or deterioration of a plant's roots. Now that we understand the meaning of root rot, let's see how we can use it in a sentence. 1. I couldn't save my houseplant because it had severe root rot. 2. To prevent root rot, make sure your plants have proper drainage. 3. Overwatering can lead to root rot in many plants. These sentences show that root rot is a problem plants face, and it's usually linked to watering issues. If you're wondering why we'd even discuss this term in an English learning context, here's why. Cultural importance. Gardening and plant care are popular hobbies worldwide. Knowing terms related to this can help in conversations or even when watching related content. Language evolution. English is full of phrases that directly describe what they mean, just like root rot. Recognizing such terms can make the language easier to navigate. There you have it. We've delved into the meaning of the phrase root rot, how to use it, and why it's an interesting part of the English language. Remember, language isn't just about words but understanding the culture and context they're used in. We hope this video has been insightful, and happy learning!